Would you dare hanging your $5,000 worth of camera gear upside down on a suction mount costing only $50? Do you really dare do that? Well, I did. I mounted my Sony a7C-R and my Sony a7C II with the Sony 16-35mm G-Master 2 lens upside down on this Neewer suction mount and drove hundreds of kilometers and just let it hang overnight under scorching heat, and hang it did. Isn't that cool enough for an inexpensive suction mount? My need for such a setup to film such footage on a long road trip is finally here. I should say that I'm more than impressed with this Neewer 6-inch suction mount with the ballhead magic arm, as you already probably noticed it. Even though Neewer sent me this product in exchange for a review, I will be giving my honest opinions after using it for a few trips now. I will start with the suction mount that came with this neat little cover. It is super easy to install on a smooth surface with just one hand. Just pump the air out by continuously pushing the air pump until the white line disappears. Once installed, it can support up to 5 kgs even in motion. The white line should be checked once in a while to make sure it isn't coming out. Lifting the quick release grips on either side will release the grip. Now let's take a closer look at the mounting part. This Swiss cheese base plate with a lot of holes can rotate 360 degrees. These holes are either 3/8 inch or 1/4 inch threads, giving plethora of mounting options. I mounted an Arca Swiss ball head to easily switch between my tripod and the suction mount. A 3/8 inch screw is needed to do that. Once mounted, the ball head sits pretty firm on the cheese plate. Even when in motion, it did not loosen up. There are mounting options on the sides as well. One word of caution when using it outside on the bonnet of the car is don't do it. If you decide to do it, better use multiple mounting points for stabler footage. Otherwise, this is what you get. This suction mount has served me well throughout the trips, and I have zero complaints for the first time ever about any product actually. The same is not the case for the Magic Arm. This Magic Arm is super solid but a little too tight even after loosening it. So that's the only comment on this Magic Arm. It does the job great. Anyway folks, that's it for the video. If you're looking to buy the suction mount, just go ahead and buy it. Probably a couple more for stabler footage. If you want to know more about this product, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.